All right, folks. We're back at it again today. Kind of got a late start. Had to go see the attorney this morning. Had a late night. Blah, blah, blah. Got up late. All of that. But we're back at the shop. Not really sure what I'm going to get into. I know I'm going to clean. I know we're going to finish cleaning. So what we were doing before this showed up, but that's its own episode, you'll see. We'll just, how about we hint at it? We tried to do something with it and it wouldn't do. That's all we'll say. But she's still a good unit. Just wanted to take a moment and appreciate the dry rot on these tires that come off the Peterbilt. Old ass 24.5s. Alright, so we got to get the skid steer off the trailer off the truck, bed off the truck, dumpster on the truck, load dumped over there, trash in there. Go. better than I could have asked for. I don't know if this is where they want it, but that's where I'm putting it. Let me get disconnected and we'll drop the flatbed. Alright. You guys may not find it interesting, but these roll-off trucks are really cool. Not most people. Let's set the PTO here. Turn our controller on. Wrong button. We slide her out. She goes out about 3 feet, 4 feet, something like that. And you drop her down. Looks like we're a little close to the edge back there, so I'll pop the brakes and, well, I guess we gotta put her in first. There we go. And then she touches down, we let off the brake and let her push us out from underneath her. But yeah, this truck's handy. We got our own dumpster service. The flatbed on it's great. It's just a good do-all truck. Joshy Poo bought it for his business, so he could have dumpsters and haul rock with it and all that kind of stuff, but see, that's probably good. We can turn our PTO off and just leave the controller. A little bit of a rough disembarkment there. These Georgia Power guys, they act like they own the place. Marty's gonna be pissed when he finds out they were messing with his motorcycle. Man, Marty's gonna be pissed. Hell yeah. Live action. Let's see if we can drag her straight. I'm still on the brake. I need to let off the brake. I need to start steering, actually. She might line up square. Oh, it's not on the frame rail. See, which way do I need to turn to get that to do what I need it to? Y'all hold on. There we go. I don't know if y'all can see it. You want to make sure she lands. Ooh, she's heavy. Ha! You want to make sure she lands on your frame right. And then you can suck her in. Ding 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 ding. Now we figure out how we're gonna dump it. I literally can't decide what to use. Like, I know that's kind of a good problem to have, but I just can't figure out where to put stuff. There's so many implements over here and tires. Like the tires we could push deeper, but I kind of want to work on getting rid of the tires, not making the pile bigger. But I think for right now we'll get back on the skid steer and go back to moving stuff, and we'll try to start moving that dirt. So I think today made for a pretty productive day. As you can see, we're spreading the dirt we dumped, trying to raise that area a little bit. Biggest thing was getting that tire swapped in the smart car for Mama Lee, the Queen Bee. Got that done. Unloading the hook truck was a bit interesting because I usually don't drive that truck or back a trailer with it. But it was pretty easy. We picked up some trash too. I didn't get that on film. Did get some trash picked up. Got some pallets sorted. Did some other stuff, I think, inside the shop, but I didn't record that either. Otherwise, it was a pretty successful day. It kind of seemed like a short day because right as I got done spreading the dirt, my forklift surprise landed, and I kind of spent the rest of the day playing with it. You'll get to see a lot of that footage and get to hear the story on that forklift, see some of the drama that's come out of it. But overall, it was a decent day. Got those tires broke down. They've been in front of the shop, just sitting in front of the shop for a while now. They're the 24.5s that come off the Peterbilt. Bud rims. So I'm just kind of going to have to sit on those. Might sell them on Marketplace. I don't know if somebody will want them, but I've got them. So yeah, that's about it. I'll let y'all watch the rest of the skid steer footage if you want. I didn't know if, the viewers would, I didn't know if y'all would want to, watch 17 minutes worth of me riding around in the skid steer or not, but I kind of sped it up and decided to do a voiceover over it. So yeah, I really appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see you in the next one. I think the next one's going to be the Peterbilt Teardown episode 2. So you can look forward to that, and many more videos to come. Thanks for watching.